afternoon. We've been waiting for the train down at the bottom of the hill, and we decided to come up here, and guess what? Comes the train. Unbelievable. We're in Herman. Just had time to jump out of the truck. Better get back a little bit, eh? It was actually freezing rain at the bottom of the hill. It's 5 degrees colder up here, which is 27, and got some snow coming. So there they go. I'm not sure if they're coming back today, but I have a plan in mind. So if it's about 12 o'clock. They usually have to be, their shift is over at 2. So I just saw the neatest thing here. Somebody put a wreath on the boarding house. Does that not look cool or what? Anyhow, this is Nancy at the in Herman. It is about noon, and I got some plans for today, so I'll check back with you later. Thanks for watching.